in here? Oops. Okay, for my dish, are we live here?
Yeah, we're live.
For my dish, like I said, we went Asian and Pacific Islander. Okay,
All
we've
right.
got a skewer of some honey ham with pineapple, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, a hint of garlic, and a hint of ginger. In our dip dishes, we have just a soy sauce with a pinch of ginger. We've got a pasta dish. The pasta originating obviously from China, brought over by Marco Polo. We've got a red, green bell pepper, shiitake mushroom, and a grass onion diced in a sauce of ginger, garlic, and teriyaki.
And Calvin?
Alright, so today we're gonna have a little American cuisine, trying to
Alright.
like from our home country. We got some potatoes, and then what I did is I had some rice and cooked that up, and then put some vegetables sauteed, obviously with a little cumin, and then put some ginger and cumin on the potatoes. After sauteing them, put them in the oven to get a little crispiness. Took some mushrooms, sauteed those, put some soy sauce over that, and then put some lemon on the rice in the end. So hopefully you'll enjoy it.
All right, these both look really good.
Someone's getting cumin points.
I knew I was taking with those.
These both look really good, and we'll just go to the taste test to see who the real winner is.